Yeah, this week EURUSD Technical Analysis. This is 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. This is John. Okay. This week, sorry. Okay. Any small correction here, any small correction, it will go there. Maybe it will reach this area. Maybe it will go up here. Maybe it will take from this. After this reaching this zone, after this reaching this zone, please be careful. Maybe it can come from here. Maybe it can fall. But initially, if you give any correction here, it will go up around this one. Okay, 272 or something. Okay, thank you.